come that I always dread. I'm not sure why I dread it so bad. Doesn't really take that long, you know, 30 minutes tops most of the time, but I just dread it every single time. Time to clean out this refrigerator. It's pretty bad this time too. How do we start? We start by taking everything out. That way you can't get like halfway through and be like, I'll finish the rest later. If you take it all out, you gotta get it done. Here we go.
I like doing that stuff.
You like it? You wanna come help me take stuff out?
Yeah.
Come on. 4 hands are better than 2. I'll get that one. This is some cheese that Tyler got from a farm he was working at for a little while. This looks like mozzarella, but it doesn't say on here. They have a dairy and they sell their own cheese and stuff like that. So this kind of looks like some kind of seasoned cheese. I think I'll make some homemade macaroni and cheese or something with that one night.
Mama, this is actually the old cheese. Do we have to take out this drawer to hold this stuff out?
We gotta take it out, yeah. 1, 2, 3. You got it. You've been eating a blue pop. Oh, Cece made you a snow cone, didn't she?
Yeah, and that made it all stinky.
You got all blue.
My face?
Yeah.
Oh, look at the glass ones.
Thank you.
Got my melted jello.
Melted. It's raspberry syrup for tea. Looks like melted jello, huh?
Mom, come here and look at the sink. Your sink is nice and shiny again.
Thank you.
You can see your face.
Yeah. Now we clean out the drawers. We have kale, ham steak, radishes, blueberry bagels,
and
hot dogs. Now the cheese and sandwich drawer. We have a little bit of Parmesan, 1 stick of butter, and I think, is this brand new? I think this is brand new. This is a brand new thing of pimento cheese, 4 cheese, 2 things of cream cheese. Okay. And now the fruit and veggie drawer. We got blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. Much better. I gotta go get some eggs from the other refrigerator to bring in here. Me and Mr. Man gotta get this living room cleaned up before it's time to cook supper. You've been having a time in here, huh? This is a fun little book that I got from, where did we get this from? I think it was from the Sunrise store in Clayton. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's where it was. I got it for when we go on our little hikes. Well, I mean, you know, they're more like walks for us, but I got this for the kids to do when we go on them. There's lots of fun stuff in here. So it's a nature trail activity journal. It comes with a magnifying glass and some different stickers. There's lots of fun stuff in here. It talks about tools for explorers. It also has some hiking logs where you can put the trail name, the location, and you know, just the different things you see on the trail. You could draw or put a picture of what you saw. Bugs to look for. We see a lot of these bugs when we go walking, don't we?
And that, and that, and that, and that, and that, and that. But not a praying mantis.
You haven't seen a praying mantis?
I have. Ha!
Yeah, I've seen one. One landed on me one time. Flowers. Birds. We see those a lot, don't we?
We don't see.
Yeah,
I saw one of those.
What kind is that?
A chickadee.
That's right, it's a chickadee.
A woodpecker. We heard one of those.
Mm-hmm.
What is that?
Common mud puppy. Have you ever seen a mud puppy, Jonah?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
They have scavenger hunts in here. That'll be fun to do. It was, I think it was 12. Let me see how much it was. $12.99. All right, so let's get supper started. Tonight we're having taco crescent dough pizza.
Mama, do you remember Daddy's time a yellow airplane flashed into the water?
He did?
Yes. When we was going down the road, he jumped in the water to save
He did? Oh my goodness. Man. Was this a game y'all were playing?
No, we were driving down the road. It wasn't a dream, it was the other day.
Man, I wish I could remember this day. It seems like it was an exciting day.
Yeah, it was.
Back to the taco pizza. I gotta preheat the oven to 350 because we're gonna bake the crescent dough crust while we cook the ground beef. I'm looking for my pan, y'all. I guess this baking sheet will work fine. So we just gave the pan a light spray. I really don't know where that big 9x13. You know, y'all know which one I'm talking about. It's my blue speckled one. How did it disappear? So we've got the crescent dough sheet pressed in there. When the oven gets ready, we'll put this in for 10 minutes. And I thought about putting one of these on top and making them like taco sandwiches, but I think we'll just do the taco pizza. Because I'm going to make some little bean burritos to go with them. Just refried beans and cheese in a tortilla shell. So we'll get our ground beef cooking here. So the crust just needs to stay for about 10 minutes because when we get the meat mixture done, we're gonna put it with some cheese on top and it goes back in the oven for about 5 to 10 more minutes to finish cooking the crust and melt the cheese. So we'll just cook the ground beef and onions, and when it's done, we'll drain it. I was going to do the sub buffet night tonight, but when I was cleaning out the refrigerator, I changed my mind. I decided to do this crescent dough crust taco pizza. We need some diced tomatoes. What are y'all having for supper tonight? I almost made beans and corn. I had a lot of different things in my mind to make tonight, and I kept changing my mind. It was rainy this morning, kind of cool out, but then when the rain stopped, it got hot and humid, and I no longer wanted a hot bowl of beans and cornbread, so that's why I was going to go with the sub buffet. I have some corn tortillas too. I'll make a few bean burritos with these, maybe like a little bean quesadilla because they're really small. It'll be hard to roll it up. But I have these bigger ones for the burritos. And I'm going to put Parmesan cheese on the bean burritos. For the taco pizza, we're going to put, I think it was a 4-cheese Mexican blend and then just some cheddar. I'm going to go ahead and drain and rinse the black beans. Okay, the crust is ready to take out for now until we get the meat mixture done. Okay, we're adding the diced tomatoes to the meat mixture and the taco seasoning pack. I did drain the tomatoes mostly. I left a little bit of the liquid. Cece found another bag of the 3-cheese Mexican in the other refrigerator. We're gonna put the meat mixture on top of the crust. Now we'll put the cheese on top. Alright, this is going back in the oven for about 10 minutes. Y'all, I forgot to put the black beans on that taco pizza, so we'll just have these on the side. I can't believe I did that. I'll put a few of them on the bean burrito. It'll be a double bean burrito. So we're just gonna spread on some of the refried beans, put a few of the black beans, and some of the Parmesan cheese. There we go. I cannot believe I forgot to put those beans on there, y'all. After I drained them and rinsed them and everything. I was talking to Tyler and got sidetracked. are you gonna taste first?
Pizza.
Now yours, I did your bean thing with the corn tortilla, and they just came off the pan, so it's really hot. Just
Like, that's really good. I'm not even kidding you. Those refried beans with a little bit of cheese. You nailed it.